So for me, choosing dorms over the shared flat was quite simple. I'm from Kazakhstan, so I was not familiar with the region, I was not familiar with the people, and I was quite a bit scared to find a flat here before arriving. So the safe option was to just contact our Yanis Meya and just reserve the dorms.
If we compare prices of the dormitories and the apartments, it's still cheaper. So it was also one of the reasons. And I love the community which we have there, like so many people from different countries, like for instance, Belarus, Ukraine, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia. So it was also a good opportunity for me to meet new people.
Since Riga is a new city for me, I thought it would be the best strategy how to meet new people quickly, already before the studies start. I also saw on the SSE Riga website that there was a clip about the dorms, and there was a description how there's these active game nights and like a student life, a student culture there. So I was thinking that it could be fun to meet people and actually hang out with them daily, also after the studies, and maybe study together there.
My expectations didn't meet reality. People are more calmed down in dormitories and not such a big meeting of people, which I thought will happen. But it's much more suitable for me because I love this calm life.
People are usually studying, doing their own stuff. But of course, we have our own traditions such as barbecue, parties, or studying together with our mates. So it's different from what we see in movies, but at the same time it's quite suitable for our type of studies when we should allocate a lot of times to actually study.
And I would say that this year also dorms is quite lively, since we tend to gather in a kitchen and watch football or something and eat dinner together, even though we're not from the same kitchens. So there is a bit more buzzing now and there's more life this year, I'd say.
We have 3 types of room. We have private one with private bathroom for a single person. We have also a double room for 2 people with shared bathroom and with private bathroom. 3 types of rooms basically, but it really depends on your preferences and what you want. Since I'm from bigger city, it usually takes much more time to go to the school and etc. But here in Riga it's quite convenient because you can take a bus and in 15 minutes you'll be at school, which is not the case for most big cities, I would say.
I would say when I first moved into dorms, I had not that much experience in cooking, so my favorite was at first omelette and sausages, and I stick to it for quite some time because the first year was quite busy. I didn't have time to learn much else, but no, I mostly ate out. It's no worries. Now I'd say my favorite is to have Romanian cabbage in a pan together with onions, pork and egg together, and it's really nice.
When I had free time, I was trying to cook some different dishes. Once I was even cooking pelmeni fully by hand.
Basically, I'm not super experienced in cooking, but I learned how to cook Italian pastas, which are super fast and convenient. So usually I'm on pastas, but of course I'm trying to do experiment with the food, like bulldog, Korean one. I even tried to cook my cultural Kazakh peshperma, which was quite good. So yeah, learning and learning. We didn't have any strict rules okay, you should be at dorms by 11 or something like that. It's super chill. We just respect our own boundaries and try to not make any noise after a certain time, but of course we understand each other's situations, and yeah, we are quite flexible with rules and etc.
The rules are to be clean in the kitchen and keep everything tidy. We have proctors in the dorms that make sure that the kitchens get cleaned every week.
Now people in dorms are more active, so they love to organize these football night evenings, family dinner time, when they cook something and share with other people as well. Some movie times on Fridays and Saturdays in the evening, so people are just having this networking and enjoying their time together in dormitories.
A flat for a single person without furniture and not big of a not many rooms, it was 350, and I'd say the dorms price was more similar to it as well. The only difference between the dorms and that flat is the furniture. There is furniture, and also in the dorms price already the electricity and water bill is included, and also heating.
Maybe you can find even maybe cheaper options in terms of apartment, but as we mentioned, utilities or the convenience of dorms, because we have everything needed there, and if we need something, we can contact our administration and they will try to provide it. If you have your own apartment, you should think of other duties, and of course you should pay in advance some deposits, and it's a lot of things to do and consider. And for like year one students who comes for the first time to Riga, I think dorms will be much easier and more convenient option. Expenses in Riga is not like huge comparing to other countries, and usually the spendings goes to like, I don't know, dormitories, like groceries. But for example, transportation is quite cheap, and yeah, generally speaking, it's quite affordable in terms of prices and budget, I would say. Riga is actually well designed in terms of infrastructure, so it's really easy to get to a certain place, either by bus or, I don't know, scooters, walking, and everything is quite close. So yeah, usually I use bus, but at the same time I can easily use scooter or just have a walk, you know.
I'd say I mostly use the bus. Yes, it's the cheapest option, 12 euros a month, right? And yeah, but sometimes if I'm on the other side of the river and it's been a really tiring day, I take a boat. I know that some people actually from dorms own a bike and they actually bring bike to Riga, and I think maybe it's convenient as well.
My best tip for high schoolers to consider is to not to bring a lot of things with you to dormitories, because within this 1 year or 2 years you will buy a lot of things which it will be hard to like kind of suit in your room.
But adding to this, maybe just be open and curious, you know, because when you first arrive, you just meet new people, you get this sense of cooking. So just be open, be curious, learn, and yeah, just live in dorms.
My most practical tip would be to be open and in engaging with others. You need to remember that you are the one who engages with the person. You say hi in the halls, you ask how are they and get to know them, because it's about your first steps, how your dorm's life will be. As well, take into consideration what type of events you would like, because you are the one who makes the culture in the dorms, and maybe you will have great experiences like having these dinners and maybe even going on trips with others. So everything is in your hands.